How many eggs does it take to get 3 eggs in a bowl? Who would guess what I was going to make? Pause your video to see. I'm going to gather all the ingredients together and bake a cake. Here's our mixing bowl. That's what we were going to do with the flour earlier. You see it's all done and ready. Well, let's look here. We need applesauce. Here's the applesauce. Take it out of the fridge. We also need some baking soda. Here's some baking soda for the cake. Now I'm gonna go get some cinnamon. 4 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. Hello and welcome back to baking a cake. We are going to bake a cake with that flour we made here. We need 2 cups of flour to put into this bowl. 1 cup, good. 2 cups of Is this plenty?
Yes.
1, 2. 1 cup of raw sugar. Now we've opened up our sugar can. Uh-oh! It's too big to fit in here. This is gonna be a sugary cake. Not enough. Uh-oh. Dump it in. That's a lot of sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
That's good. That's enough.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Nutmeg. Cloves. So 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Here are the cloves. Hey, this is a little hard to open. 1, 2. Smells pretty good. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. I'm just gonna reach the spoon in. I'm mixing the ingredients. Whisks are sticky. It calls for sour milk or buttermilk, but since we don't have any of those, we're gonna put the thickener into the milk. Hey, I'm left-handed.
Yeah, but I'm not. Okay, pour that into the cup.
We're gonna fill the cup up with milk. Uh-oh, spilly. Now we have to be very, very careful just in case any milk spills. Pour milk in there. Make sure all of it goes in. 1 butter piece. Very careful when I pour it. Pour. Oop. Now you'll always put the beaters into the mixer before you plug the mixer in. Whoa, whoa! Is it done yet? I'm I'm breaking eggs now, and I'm gonna break them into this dish just in case any shells fall in. It's not cracking.
Okay, crack it on the counter. That's good.
Yeah, it exploded.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna want to clean off my hands after
Let me
that.
see your hands.
The rag, I'm trying to make it not explode all
Okay,
over the place.
there you go. If you do too much, it explodes.
Uh-oh. Ugh. Oh, Curdy. Come here. Oops. That's what dogs are for. Cleaning up messes. Curdy, can you lick my apron too? Curdy, look. I hope this doesn't explode. Oh, great. Curdy, another mess. Grammy, will you do the rest? Poured all the eggs in.
5 eggs to get 3.
It took us 5 eggs to get 3. Now, let's turn this on. I'm not afraid of mixers, unless they make messes. We have to preheat 350. We're putting 3/4 of a cup of applesauce. Uh-oh. Oh, got it.
All the way over the bowl.
Okay, we've got 3 of them. Now let's mix it up. Now we're ready to prepare the cake pan. So first we've got to butter and flour the cake pan. So I'm going to take this butter. Now we got to flour it.
Until it goes all over. And then we're going to dump the rest extra out into the sink.
It's time to put the batter into the pan.
Trying to catch the Roadrunner. Oh, do you have it? We can watch it.
That looks great.
We're doing this.
The cake's ready. I'm putting some whipped cream on the spice cake
It looks so good.
for the party. This is stevia whipped